Hi, my name is Roftiel Constantine, and I serve as the Chief Information Security Officer at Barry-Wehmiller. We are a private company in global manufacturing. We have approximately 13,000 team members in 25 countries. We have 150 operating locations, and we make machines that we sell to other businesses so they can make end-user products. When it comes to artificial intelligence, we are very interested in capitalizing on the goodness that AI can bring us. We focused on implementing Microsoft Copilot. We've been doing a pilot program of Copilot for several months. We like it, and we're at the point where we want to expand the number of users involved in this in a kind of a slow rollout to make sure that we do it properly and securely and effectively. One concern that I have, and that as the security person, is the oversharing of data. I know that across our M365 environment, I'm thinking of SharePoint sites, I'm thinking of our team sites, our OneDrive, and more, very concerned that we have data that has been accidentally overshared. And Copilot, which is a great search engine, it's definitely possible that it could serve up some of this overshared data in response to our team members' prompts. So I was really happy when I ran into the Opsin team. I liked their approach of tackling this oversharing of data problem that I had. Their mission was exactly what I needed to solve my problem that I described of oversharing data. And their approach it made it easy for me to sell the Opsin proof of concept to the IT leadership team in my company. Probably one of the best selling points that really drove home the need for an Opsin type capability is enabling us to focus on not all the overshared data, but the overshared data that really mattered. It was manageable. This was doable. Thanks to Opsin doing that initial risk assessment. Not only that, but coupled with their continuous monitoring of files that are in use every day, new files that are introduced to our M365 environment, it gave me the confidence to recommend to our company that we do move forward and expand our Copilot evaluation. For those of you in similar situation, I highly recommend checking in with Opsin, understanding how they solve this problem for you, because it's been fantastic for us.